Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about Mushe XMU coin. So however you pronounce it, Mushe, Mushi. So as you can see, this coin is the current hype in 2022 and I have zero token balance. I have just transferred some amount, like the minimum transaction amount is $100. So I'm waiting for the transaction to be completed. All you have to do is send funds from your trust wallet to them, and upon confirmation you will receive the token balance over here. So this token is currently under pre-sale. So one XMU is equal to around a cent right now, and as you can see my email is already verified and my wallet is already compatible. Now if you see the price range, this token was launched for $0.005 and now it is up by 135%. So if we go with 1 day, it's 2.66%. In 1 week it is 135%. So this coin is recently launched and it's currently under the pre-sale progress. So as you can see, the stage 1 is the pre-sale progress and 31 days and 15 hours are left for this pre-sale to be over. So you can buy it while it's cheap, because I personally think that the price of this token will skyrocket in the future, and official launch for this is expected on 4th July 2022. And they also have a referral program where you can start referring your friends and earn up to 5% from their first purchase. And also your friends who are referred, they also receive 5% additional tokens. So for example, like if someone ends up buying 100,000 tokens, then you and your friend both receive 5,000 additional tokens. So yeah, and I also forgot to mention that you can transfer Ethereum, you can transfer other altcoins also, like Solana, Shiba Inu, and there are few other tokens where you can transfer. You can also transfer BEP20 Binance Smart Chain. So once that is completed, then you will receive your tokens on 4th July 2022. Now if we go to Google and search for XMU, then as you can see there is a lot of hype that is created. You can see this token all over the news. So if I just scroll down, it's everywhere. And see, this is the overall supply and around 30% is available during the pre-sale. So the rest 70%, if you pass by, like if you happen to buy on the later stage, then you might end up paying a higher amount, because the price of this token might quickly rise. So it's all over the news, and if the hype and the marketing continues like this, then this token should be very successful on 4th July 2022. So this is one of my recommendation that might give a very good returns uh, in the future, like in maybe in couple of months. So hopefully you guys like my video, and thank you for watching. In case if you have any doubts or queries, please feel free to leave a comment. As soon as I check it, I will quickly revert you back. Thank you guys.